Mom, what are you doing?
The napkin, give me so I can
A napkin?
What was that?
Are you ready for this? Look at that. You see? UWANT D100 wet and dry vacuum. Let's check it out. Have you guys ever had a vacuum talk to you?
UWANT D100 at your service.
The charging station is so freaking cute.
Start charging.
The water tank is so easily
Water
removable.
tank has been removed.
Fill it with water.
Start running.
Let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, that's crazy work right there. It comes with a deep cleaning solution, an extra roller brush, and an extra filter. Another cool thing about this is that you can twist and turn this anywhere you want. Let's clean the base.
Water tank has been removed.
Look at all the dirt it took from the house. You can even wash this under the sink and clean it all up. You can even wash the roller. Lift that up and take this out. Let's go ahead and give this a wash. And look at all the dirty water. Unlike traditional vacuums, this one can actually easily fit under spaces. It even has its own option for sterilization. There's 3 different modes you can choose from.
Smart mode, power mode, dry mode.
You definitely need to purchase your UWANT D100 vacuum off Amazon using my link tree in my bio.